Hey Stunning fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. Today you're going to be watching Brandon create a temporary truck bed cover. We are currently waiting for a sport truck cap. However, it's taken over 5 months for us to receive it after ordering it, so we decided to create a temporary fix. The first step included measuring the size of the truck bed, including the ledge. The plywood will be hanging on the ledge with about 2 inches in width on each side. The truck bed does have an angle, so he used a pencil and a jigsaw to cut the 3/4 inch plywood and fit accordingly. Next, he used a router to create a round edge for a cleaner look. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking to unboxing to anything that can be a DIY style project. We would really love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. After all the plywood was cut, he placed 3 4-inch corner door hinges and used 1 1/4 inch screws and washers to secure the hinges to the plywood. He used washers because the holes on the hinges were too big. Brandon used 4 cans of Plasti Dip black spray paint. He used lots of coats for 2 reasons. The first reason was that the spray paint gets soaked up very easily with plywood, and the second reason is that it creates a waterproof seal. Brandon also waterproofed the plywood by adding Gorilla Tape. He bought a 1.5 inch by 48 inch hinge from Home Depot so that he could fold the truck bed cover up as needed. He used this feature when he helped his dad transport a smoker a few weeks ago. The next step included cutting 7 2x3s and using a Kreg jig to create the frame. The frame was placed on the inside of the cover to make it stronger. If someone were to stand on the cover, this frame would ensure that the cover does not cave in. Next, Brandon screwed in steel wire anchors to the frame so that he would be able to secure the cover to the truck. This keeps the cover from flapping open while he is driving. Next, he added rubber bumpers to the inside of the frame to protect the windows. Then he used 1 1/4 self-drilling screws with washers to connect the other side of the corner door hinges to the truck. Next, Brandon applied black sponge rubber foam weather strip tape to cushion, seal, and waterproof the cover. The last step was not filmed, but he added 2 steel screw eyes to secure half of the frame when it's flipped upwards. I will place the links of all of the products listed in this video in the description below. We hope that you enjoyed this DIY and our temporary fix until we finally receive our sport truck cap. We have been waiting since August of last year, so we hope to receive it soon. We hope that you all have a great week, and we will see you next time.